Today I'm taking you on a tour of the gorgeous towns at Riverwalk community right here in beautiful Sanford, Florida. If you love lakeside living, energy efficient homes, and being close to everything, then this one is for you. The Elm floor plan starts at about $415,000. This is an end unit townhome with a bit more breathing room at about 1,784 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a 2-car garage. Now inside, the kitchen is truly the heart of the home, wide open to the dining and great room, making it perfect for entertaining. The 3 bedrooms are located upstairs. The primary suite offers ample space with a walk-in closet. The primary bath suite has a private water closet, dual sinks, and a step-in shower. The versatile loft space is perfect for a cozy playroom or even a second living area, and it divides bedroom 2, the second full bath, and bedroom 3, which is being used to showcase how the home is built. Now here is one of the best parts. Every home here is part of the Energy Series Ready collection, which means that these homes are certified by the U.S. Department of Energy as Zero Energy Ready homes. The Indoor Air Plus qualified. It's designed to be 40 to 50% more energy efficient than your typical new home, which means healthier living, lower bills, and a smaller carbon footprint. Now let's step inside the Magnolia floor plan. This one starts at around $400,000. It's a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-story townhome with about 1,635 square feet of space. On the first floor, you've got a drop-off zone right off the 1-car garage entrance and a convenient powder room for guests. As you make your way down the hall, you're greeted with a beautiful island that seats 4. This kitchen offers a walk-in pantry and plenty of space for storage. The kitchen, dining, and living areas are all connected, perfect for keeping the conversation flowing while you cook or entertain. The open great room provides plenty of natural light thanks to the triple sliding glass doors and dining room window. Now heading upstairs, all 3 bedrooms are located on the 2nd floor along with your laundry area. The primary bedroom, well, that one's tucked in the rear of the home for privacy, and yes, it comes with a walk-in closet, spacious primary bath with dual sinks, private water closet, and shower. As you pass the laundry area, you arrive at a cozy bedroom 2 that measures 9 feet 3 inches by 11 feet 9 inches. Bedroom 3, that's 9 feet 3 inches by 9 feet 10 inches, and the 2nd bathroom. The amenities include a dog park for your furry friend, a community pool to cool off on those hot Florida days, and gorgeous water views along Lake Monroe. Plus, you're just minutes to local eateries, breweries, shopping, and historic downtown Sanford. Super convenient to the Sanford International Airport and I-4 so everything you need is right here. Whether you choose the Elm, Magnolia, or Holly, Towns at Riverwalk offers a lifestyle that's all about connection to nature, to community, and to a healthier way of living.